Aleko's AC2000 gate opener kit includes one gate opening unit, one mounting base, two remotes, 20 feet of chain, installation instructions, and mounting hardware. The AC2000 can operate gates weighing up to 2,000 pounds or 60 feet in length. With a single phase, 2 horsepower motor, it has an operating time of up to 100 seconds. The kit has two 433 MHz remotes and everything needed for installation. The motor has obstruction detection upon opening and closing and features an auto close feature.